Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and supports local LTE or 5G bands. That saves time when switching. Once done, turn off data roaming in settings to avoid charges, then enable airplane mode briefly and re-enable Wi-Fi to keep radios clean. Make sure you download offline maps and any travel apps now, and prepare either an eSIM QR or a local prepaid SIM purchase option so you can swap to local data without triggering roaming. Now install the local eSIM profile or POP in the physical SIM, follow the carrier's activation instructions, and use provided QR or code. After activation, go to Mobile Settings and explicitly set that new line or profile as your mobile data source, while leaving your home number for calls or texts if you prefer. Check and, if necessary, update the APN values the carrier gave you. Finally, test by loading a simple web page to confirm data and speed before leaving the store or hotspot. To finish, secure the SIM or lock the eSIM profile, enable a data saver, and set a usage cap or alerts so you don't overspend. Make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled if you need incoming calls, and consider a VPN for privacy over public networks. If data fails, first toggle airplane mode off and on. If that fails, reset network settings or reinstall the eSIM profile as the one key troubleshooting move that resolves most activation and routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.